In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Logitech Pebble keyboard to laptop. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The Logitech Pebble keyboard can be used on any device that supports Bluetooth. So all that you have to do is set up Bluetooth on your laptop and then enable pairing mode on the keyboard itself. So on the keyboard itself, make sure that it is powered on. You can find the switch at the left side of the keyboard and make sure that it is set to the on position. You will see this green background and then you will see this LED light up. With the keyboard powered on, you will be able to use these three buttons at the top left. So if you have the black model of the keyboard, you will see these keycaps in white. And if you have a pink or a white model, you might see these keycaps in yellow. All that you have to do is press and hold any of these buttons. You can have three devices connected simultaneously, including, of course, your laptop. So even if you want to use only one, you will be able to get this done. Press and hold any of these three buttons, whichever one you prefer. So for example, the first one. When you press and hold this button for a couple of seconds, you will see the LED blink, indicating that it is now in pairing mode. With the keyboard in pairing mode, you can go over to the Bluetooth settings on your laptop. So go to your laptop, any device that you have. So in these examples, I have a Windows PC, a MacBook, and then a smartphone. Turn on Bluetooth. And once Bluetooth has been enabled, as long as you are in close proximity of the laptop or the device, you will be able to find it under the list of other devices. So you will see the Logitech keyboard in here. Just make sure to choose it from the list and the option to connect. Once you do this once, it will remain connected forever. So every single time in the future that you power it on, it should automatically connect itself to that laptop. And you can have up to 3 devices connected simultaneously. You can swap between them with the single tap of any of these buttons. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Logitech Pebble keyboard to laptop. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.